All right, guys, my name is Randall Reed. I'm the owner of the Dent Specialist located here in Benton, Kentucky. And what I do is called Paintless Dent Repair. And what we got going on today is this dent right here. We're going to fix this 100% paintless dent repair, no repainting. This is a pretty nasty dent in the hood. Looks like somebody maybe took a screwdriver or something and tried to pry it themselves. We'll try to fix that and lay all that down for them. Anyway, guys, this is a before video on a hood on a Chevrolet truck. So stay tuned and we'll have an after video, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, Silverado, hood all done. Not pretty well. Somebody had pushed out with a screwdriver and put some high spots in it. We got them out the best we could. All in all, it's a good repair. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.